If a woman has missed some of her Ramadan fasts and she hasn't made the fast up yet, and then Dhul Hijjah comes and she wants to fast the first 10 days, is she allowed?
As far as permissibility is concerned, a woman who has not made up, or a person who has not made up the missed fast, the qada fast of Ramadan, can fast Dhul Hijjah and later on make up the fast. But it's preferable that the person first completes the obligatory fast, because the qada fast which a person has missed, whether a man or a woman, of Ramadan, it's more important to complete that than keep the voluntary fast of Dhul Hijjah. So it's preferable that first she fasts the first fast qada and then the voluntary fast. But if she wishes and if Dhul Hijjah has come, she can do Dhul Hijjah as long as she knows that there is time that she can make up for the compulsory fast before the next Ramadan. Both are permissible. The better is first doing the qada fast and then the Dhul Hijjah fast. Or she can opt both together, that she can do the niyah of the qada fast as well as the fast for Dhul Hijjah, and inshallah Allah will reward her for both together.